A tool holder slams into the top of a vise jaw at full rapid. The spindle screams, the alarm trips, and the next 2 hours of the shift are gone. Almost every time, the line in the program looked harmless. G00 and G01 are the two motion commands you use more than anything else. They look almost identical on the screen. They do completely different things inside the control. G00 is rapid traverse. You give it a coordinate and it says, get there as fast as this machine can move. No feed rate, no F word needed. Rapid speeds on a modern VMC can be 600, 1,000, even 1,400 inches per minute. That's the speed your tool is moving when G00 is active. G01 is a feed move. It needs an F value, inches or millimeters per minute, and that's the speed it'll hold the whole way. This is the code that actually cuts material. Feed moves are how chips actually come off the part. 8 inches per minute, 20, 60, whatever the tool and material can take. Controlled, predictable. So here's the part most operators were never taught. When you command G00 to a new XYZ, the machine does not move in a straight line to get there. Each axis moves independently at its own max rapid. The shorter distance axis finishes first, the longer one keeps going. The actual path is a dogleg, a 45-degree segment, then a straight line along the remaining axis. G00 is not a straight line, it's a dogleg. G01 is different. Give G01 two coordinates and it interpolates. The axes move in coordinated proportion, so the path is a true straight line at the F you commanded. Now, put those two facts together with a vise sitting on the table. This is where shifts end. You finish a pocket. The tool is down at Z negative ½ inch. You command G00 to the next start point. X over here, Y over there, and Z up to 1/10. 3 axes, 3 independent max speeds. Z has the shortest distance. Z finishes first, but X and Y are still rapiding at full speed, sideways through whatever is in the way. The line in the program looked like this. 1 block, 3 axes. The programmer assumed the tool would lift first. The control doesn't read intent, it reads the block. And this is the moment most operators were never told about. The control isn't wrong, the post isn't wrong. The expectation was wrong, and that expectation is what training rarely catches. The fix is boring and it works. Break the retract into its own block. Z up to safe height first, on its own line. Then rapid in XY. 2 blocks. 0 ambiguity. Like this. Z goes to 1 inch above the work on its own line. Then the XY rapid. Now no matter what the dogleg looks like, the tool is already above every obstacle. Most decent cam posts do this automatically now. Handwritten programs and edited ones often don't. If you're touching code at the control, this is the line to add. One last thing. Some controls have a setting that forces G00 to interpolate as a true straight line. It's there. It's usually off by default. Check yours before you assume. If you've made it this far, G00 is rapid, no F, dogleg path. G01 is feed, needs F, straight line. Always retract Z on its own block before an XY rapid near work holding. That single habit prevents the crash that ends shifts. Subscribe for more plain English explainers like this one.